Dear Lord, thank you for a new day. I'd like to offer this small prayer. I know it's Christmas time and people are supposed to be happy, but I know there are families who have no food on their table, families affected by the Canlaon eruption and the recent typhoons. Please help them, dear Lord. I just don't know what to ask, but I'm sure you already know, dear Lord. Kindly bless them. Maybe prioritize some food for them today, dear Lord.